Do you know what? I know I've not done this for months, but like I never gave the series the ending it deserves, so I'll do it one last time. Let's just watch trucks move and shit. Let's not watch shit that's really weird. I wouldn't want to watch someone take a shit. I can't lie. I like the air, you know, lad. I like it. This is the autism in me. Is it bad that the first thing I think of when I see a high vis is just a fucker from BGT instead of like an actual like security guard of some form? Is that bad? It can't be as bad as that bloody hand car wash that looks straight out of a slum. Surely. Alright, we've got a new little think of a jiggy wiggy. Ziggy. Fuck it, I'm just gonna say everything. Right, come to my mind ever. Web's the turf, what a goofy or fucking company name. Or how. That one was all out. I've got no cancer in that bed, so that's the reason I can't follow it. I've not seen an MSC. Like, come on, we can't have the ending of this fucking show. Could just go the bridge, mate. It's a lot easier that way, mate. So far, you don't have to climb over fences and shit. But like, come on. Where are the MSCs? We cannot end this without a fucking MSC. I'll just go on till like tomorrow. Or the next time I see a fucking MSC if this is how it's gonna go. Alright, it's been about a minute without a truck. It's kind of dry today. But you know what else is dry? Dry ground. Yeah. I'm Mr. Philosophy in a bit of the truck. Is that it now? There's a couple there. And now finally they're actually starting to come this way. It's not the MS. No, it's blue. Ah. Also there's that fucking truck. Don't really know what it's all about. There. These are MSU. Yeah, go away. That one sounded weird, although it might just be my headphones. I think that's your lot for now, yeah. Alright, final little bit before we go. Probably not going to be MSCs in the finale, which is very sad, but like, I'll figure out something. Is it another gold? Probably because I'm gold now. There's the other side if you really care. That is your big one. Alright, this one's good. Here we are. Get in there. There's two. There's two in a row. Get in. We've got the MSCs, only in 2 videos where they're not an MSC truck, which is quite mad, and there you are. I thought this would be an anticlimactic finale without an MSC, but there you go, we got one. And that is it, that's it for the series, at least on this bit. I might do one like, I don't know, if I'm bored in crew or just like on the road coincidentally. And that train just beats. Can't really fucking see it, but that's a shame. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this series if you ever have, or just have for this video. Just thanks anyway. Yeah, I'm nice. And yeah, see ya.